Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today we will discuss about how to start freelancing, a complete roadmap for beginners. So let's get started. Step number 1. Identify your skill. Freelancing is all about leveraging what you are good at. Whether it's writing, video editing, graphic design, programming, or even social media management, there's a demand of a wide range of skills. Take some time to reflect on your strengths and consider taking online assessment or asking friends and colleagues for their input. This will help you pinpoint the skills that you can offer as a freelancer. Step number 2. Choose your freelance platform. There are several websites where you can find freelance work, such as Upwork, fiverr, freelancer. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your skills and goals. Sign up for a few platforms and explore the type of jobs are available. Look at the competition, read client reviews, and get a feel for the site's interface. Step number 3. Create a standard profile. Your profile is your digital resume, so make sure it showcases your skill efficiently. Upload a professional photo, write a compelling bio that can highlight your expertise, and list your skills and previous work experiences. Don't forget to add a portfolio with samples of your work. This can make a huge difference to attracting clients. Step number 4. Set your rates. Pricing your service can be tricky, especially when you are starting out. Research what other freelancers in your niche are charging and set competitive rates. Consider your experience level, the complexity of the task. Don't undersell yourself, but be realistic about what clients are willing to pay. Step number 5. Find and apply for jobs. Start by browsing job listing on your chosen platform and apply for projects that match your skills and interests. When applying, write personalized proposal that address clients' need and explain why you are best fit for this job. Highlight relevant experience and provide samples that showcase your skills. Step number 6. Deliver high quality work. Once you land a job, make sure to deliver exceptional results. Communicate clearly with your client, meet deadlines, and be open to feedback. High quality work and professionalism will lead to positive reviews, repeat business, and referrals, which are crucial for building your freelance career. And there you have it, a complete guide to start freelancing journey. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your freelancing goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.